Alright, so I just 3D printed a wall connector. It's gonna hold the charging cable for the Tesla in my garage. It's got 2 mounting holes. Took about 7 hours to print. It's not too bad. Looks like it turned out pretty good. I've seen some people do like the 2 colors. I decided just to keep it all black. So I'm gonna get this pried off. I'll get it mounted. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna have a link to the model that I used as well. So this one was a remix of the original model. So the original model apparently was scaled too small. So this one is like scaled at like 108%, but should work well. All right, here it is. I was able to pull it off. Printed really good. Some errors right here, but I'll just get that sanded off, not a problem. Right now I'm printing off also a wall connector, or the holder that'll hold the wall charger. Instead of just hanging from the outlet, it's going to hold it up on the wall. Should take some strain off the plug. So we'll see that. So right now it's heating up. We'll do calibration, and then we'll start printing that, and we'll see how long that one takes. Alright, so I went ahead and brackets finished. They printed out nicely, and I got them mounted up to my garage wall. Just used 2 standard Phillips screws, drilled a pilot hole, put that in. Did not take much time at all. So you can see this is the mount that the charging handle goes into, and there's a little spot where if you have like a long cord you can wrap it around. And then over here I decided to mount the mobile connector horizontally, just because it looks nice, I guess, and it takes off. Really the purpose of this bracket right here is to take off the strain from the cable, because if you let it hang from that from the outlet, what I've heard, I haven't seen this for me, but I've heard that over time it'll loosen up the outlet and you might end up having the connector not stay in. So this will keep all of that strain off. It slides out, and you can see there, slides in. It looks nice horizontally. You get the Tesla logo. When I 3D printed it, it also has the Tesla icons there on the bottom. You can't see it here, but that's fine. So all in all, this was like $1 of materials. I'm gonna have a link in the description if you want to 3D print these yourself. It's very easy. Each one was about like 3 hours or so. PLA, 90% infill, 10 micrometers resolution. So I got there. So $1 or so in materials versus, you know, the $20 each or $30 each, I think, on the Tesla site. And then what I'll do is I'll unconnect this and I'll plug it in so you can see what it looks like. So it just goes in there nicely. It hangs down. That's great. And then if you need to take this with you, I mean, you still just pop it out. It's not permanent or anything like that. You can do different colors. I've seen people where they do 2 colors, where they print this off in black, the base, and then when it gets to the level of the text and the logo, they switch to red, but I just like the black. And it comes out nicely. All right, so that's it for this clip. This is Thomas from Tom's Garage. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any issues printing these guys out. Let me know what you think. Is this a good alternative to buying the high power wall connector or not? I think so. Nice and tidy. Yep, see you guys later.